we talk about how can you log out of your account on your Dailymotion app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here. You click on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do next, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings here, you just click on it. Then you come to next step here, you click here on account, you just click on it here. Then you will find here logout, you click on it, then it's going to take you out of your account on your Dailymotion app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.